Okay, so it says, welcome to freecodecamp.org. The universe doesn't allow perfection. Stephen Hawking. So let's go on to the JavaScript Logarithms and Data Structures certification for 100 hours. So it says, while HTML and CSS control the content and styling of a page, JavaScript is used to make it interactive. In the JavaScript Algorithm and Data Structures certification, you'll learn the fundamentals of JavaScript, including variables, arrays, objects, loops, and functions. Once you have the fundamentals down, you'll apply the knowledge by creating algorithms to manipulate strings, factorize numbers, and even calculate the orbit of the International Space Station. Along the way, you'll also learn two important programming styles and paradigms: object-oriented programming (OOP) and functional programming (FP). So the course says, basic JavaScript. JavaScript is a scripting language you can use to make web pages interactive. It is one of the core technologies of the web, along with HTML, CSS, and is supported by all modern browsers. In this course, you'll learn fundamental programming concepts in JavaScript. You'll start with basic data structures like numbers and strings. Then you'll learn to work with arrays, objects, function loops, if-else statements, and more. So then it has all the courses, which I've already started some, but if we break this down, you have the basic JavaScript, then you have ES6, which is the standardized version of JavaScript. You have regular expressions, debugging, data structures, basic algorithm scripting, object-oriented programming, functional programming, immediate algorithm scripting, JavaScript algorithms and data structure projects. So these are the projects that you would complete after you've completed this whole course, so all the above. And then you would get the certification once you complete all. Right, so that's JavaScript. So we're going to start with the JavaScript course, starting with basic JavaScript.